Hey pool owners, it's Rob with Inyo Pools. Today we're going to show you, do a quick video on how to add salt to a pool. This would only be for people who have a salt chlorine generator. If you don't have one of those, you don't need to add salt to the pool. And if you're wondering, how do you know if you need to add salt to the pool? Well, you'd want to test the water. We have a video for that we can link to show you how to test the salt level. We also have a blog on how to calculate how much salt to add. So we'll link both of those to help you out. But it's real simple. We've just got this Morton's Professional Choice Salt, and the pump needs to be running. If you have a variable speed pump, I recommend putting it on a higher speed so the salt mixes up quicker. So we'll just open that, and we'll just pour it in. And you'll notice that some of it settled on the bottom of the pool. That's fine. You don't want to let it sit there though. So I'll grab my pool pole and the brush, and we'll go ahead and just brush the bottom of the pool, kick it back up. That's why it's nice to have the pump turned up high so it gets back into circulation better. And so that is it. That's all you have to do to add salt to a pool. If you have any questions on this topic or anything else pool or spa related, leave a comment down below or visit us over at inyopools.com. Thanks for watching.